guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are here to learn how to make tapestry using some waste fabric. We are going to start with cutting our fabric, and I'm just cutting randomly 2 inches strip, and all I have to do is just put slits after every 2 inches and tear it from that marking. So all you have to do is just hold the ends and keep tearing it till the end of the fabric. And yeah, so it's very easy to have your even and straight strips by just tearing it. Till then, you guys can have a look outside my window. It's such a gorgeous weather over here. It's going to rain anytime. Oh my god, Dora, what are you doing? Say hi to everyone. Guys, that's Dora, and she has taken all my strips and she's playing with it. That's what she keeps doing all the time. We're going to start assembling our strips together. I'm going to do it on the railing, which you can see here. You can use any rod or you can use any metal stick, whatever you have. Take your fabric strip and fold it from the center. You have to loop it the way I'm doing it and just twist it from the rod and just tighten it. Basically, you're just creating a knot and you are going to tighten it. And yeah, similarly keep adding more fabric strips till you have achieved your desired length. Okay, so we are going to start knotting our fabric strips. I'm going to show you 2 techniques. First one is simple knot, in which you're going to take 4 adjacent fabric strip, hold second and third together, that is going to be your filler, and use first and fourth one to create your knot. You can just see here how am I creating my knot, and you have to tighten it in the end so it doesn't come out. Similarly, you're going to take adjacent 4 strips and create a knot in similar fashion. To continue making knots on the second row, you have to take a 2 adjacent knot, as you can see here. And from creating knot, you're going to use fabric strip number 3, 4, 5 and 6. And using these 4 numbers, you're going to create your simple knot once again. In the first 2 strips which we have left here, we are going to use it for creating a knot when we start doing our third row. I'm going to show you how to make square knot. For that, you're going to take 4 adjacent fabric strip and you're going to create a simple knot over here. So you're doing 4th one which comes on the top, and you are going to twist the first one. Similar what we have done in our simple knot. and just tighten it. And next step is you're gonna make one more knot using this 4 strands, in which first is gonna come on top of the floor, and fourth one you have to twist it and tighten it. So basically you're making two simple knots together, and yeah, keep continuing with rest of the fabric strands. So over here, while creating my piece, I wanted to make it a little lengthier. So what I'm doing here is I'm attaching another fabric strip to the end of the previous one, so that I have more fabric with me, so that I can tie more knots and increase the length of my tapestry. So after attaching all the extra strands to the existing ones, I'm going to continue with the same square knot and finish my piece. Well, I'm almost on the verge of finishing this piece, but I have created some variation to show you guys. As you can see, the end points are in the form of triangle, because I've left few knots in between, and I've just made the knot which can give me a triangular shape. Similarly, you guys can form a different shape and give a design element to it. You can make it in a different geometrical shape like square, triangle, or you can even leave few strands like fringes in between, and then again start knotting it. So yeah, there are a lot of variations that you can add to it, and yeah, so it's all about experimenting, and you can play with your fabric and create something of your own. So we have reached to our final stage. I'm going to show you how to finish the top and the bottom part of it. All you have to do is first cut two strands, the first two strands which are there, and you are going to tie a knot over there. So either you can tie one knot or you can tie two knots, depending on how much fabric you have. So that's one technique of finishing it. And another technique is to cut it from here. If you use this technique, you're gonna have a lot of fabric, so that you can tie two knots and make it more sturdy so that it doesn't loosen up. Alright, we are ready with our fabric over here, which has very interesting texture and lot of tassels which are visible. So you can use this fabric for creating your fashion collection or fashion accessories like beach bags, sling bags. You can even create your home furnishings like doormat, rugs. So yeah, possibilities are really endless. Well, I hope you guys loved watching my tapestry video. So do like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to share with your friends so that they can also learn some new technique. Thank you once again and stay connected.